skin. So working with this, I think we'll just do 1.1. Like the radius that we're using is 1, or let's do 0.9. Are you there? So when you do 0.9, you click OK. Now, everything you've done here is on this particular layer, right? So let's do layer masking. So layer mask this layer. To layer mask it, what you do is scroll down. If you can see my cursor, scroll down to this point here, and hold alternate. Hold alternate, then click on it. Automatically, you've layer masked the whole edit we did behind the layers that were on it. So you can actually see the old layers that you have before now. Like it actually go you back to the first pictures that we had. The reason why I did this is what we've just done is we've done the whole skin edit on the layers above, and I told us that layers are flyers rather, or designs are like multiplication of layers that forms a design to get. So behind the first layer we just did is this one. So the reason why I did it is so that we can as well see the areas we're going to be cleaning off from her face. If there are questions, you can ask your questions now, so we know that we're on the same line and the same progress. All right, that being said, what we'll do next is we'll click on brush. Our brush to the first one, click on it. Another shortcut to brush is just tap on your letter B on your keyboard, and then it takes you to brush. So now ensure that your background color is on white. As long as this is black, ensure that your background color is white. So what we'll do here is to click and drag over these areas where we have the wrinkles, right? Click and drag over it so we can bring in that earlier edit we did that made the face smooth. So I click, I drag, I click, drag. You can obviously see the changes on her face, right? Click, drag, click, drag. Can you all see the changes on her face right now? Can you all see the changes on her face? So look at what we had before and look at what we have now. Look at what we had before, look at what we have now. Look at what we had before, look at what we had. So yeah, once we've done this, we can now group the entire layer, Ctrl G, and name it image retouch. So then we'll duplicate it again and then merge everything inside that layer together to have just one layer. So we'll name this one image retouch. No, we'll name it eye cleaner because we want to work on the eyes now. So if you're on same track as where I am now, please signify and give me updates that you're following as well. If there are questions, please do well to um, ask me and I'll bring it to light. All right. On this part, what we'll be doing here is we'll be touching the eyes to make it a little bit brighter than what we have and taking off this red stuff here on it. So on my eye layer, I'll duplicate it again, name it eye cleaner 2. I'll reduce the opacity here to 50. Then I'll click on my brush. I'll click on color replacement, color replacement. Then I'll literally draw a white rectangle here so as to give it that touch of what I'm looking for, right? So now I would hold alternate and pick the white here, right? And then I'll use it to shade this part so as to give me that actual white color I'm looking for. You can see that as we started shading around the eyes, those red parts that were there went out. You can see those red parts have gone out. You can see what we did here. Those red parts have gone out. So to also add um, an extra effect on this, you'll use the dodge tool. That's this tool on your toolbar. Shortcut to dodge tools O, letter O. If you click on letter O, it gives you the dodge tool. So what we'll do here now is click over it and paint over it just a little so as to give it that actual white color looking. So look at the difference between what we have here and what we have here, what we have here, and what we have here, what we have here, what we have here. So if you have any corrections or any concerns around this, you can as well just ask the questions once more so that I can bring you all to light as well. Is there any questions? Mercy, do you understand what I did?
Hello, is it Mr. Melvin?
I can hear you.
Okay, I don't have any question. I'm speaking for myself personally. The timing is not very conducive. I don't have my laptop. I'm at work and I'm walking around. So, on a personal note, I just look at what you did. But because I'm watching on my phone, it's difficult to actually see clicked items, as in the ones you used. So maybe I'll try my hands when I go. Then maybe then I can have a question. But for now, it's not sounding. I don't know until I try my hands on it. Thank you.
All right, that's fine. The video is actually recorded,
I
and
see.
yes, maybe after the class you can watch it later.
I see. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Said that being said, if there are no observations or anything, the output for whatever it is we're going to be putting out, because there's an assignment for this, the output for what we're pushing out, um, I sent the image to the group, so almost everyone will have to do same. Right? Everyone will have to do same to get this thing I just did now. So the assignment is to be sent back by 8 p.m. Zita, please take notes. The assignment is to be sent back by 8 p.m., believing that everyone should be back from work by then and should have watched the video. So yeah, I look forward to getting feedback from you guys. Thank you so much. If there will be anything, I'm always on the Telegram page to respond. Yeah, that will be all for today. All right. I was thinking the class was going to stay long. Maybe questions here and there would extend the class. But we have a few questions from the class. So yeah, that's all I have. If there will be any other thing, please do it. Reach out. Okay, Zita, I can hear you.
Okay, in the beginning part of the class, I was actually trying to start off um, as on my system. Please, can you just brief me on how you clear those pages in instead of clear my question? Did you hear my question?
Hello, bye.
Zita, I didn't get your question. I didn't get your Zita, can you hear me?
Okay, well,
I'm not sure there's anyone
so
responding.
how
Um,
you
I can hear you speak.
practice.
The line is breaking. I can't hear you clearly.
I can hear you.
You asked the question. Okay, since there's no like purple stuff, just to bring us to light, this is what we had earlier. This is what we have currently. This is what we had earlier. This is what we have currently. So the assignment is that we do something using the same edit process that I gave, and the outcome should be this, right? The image has been sent to the group chat, and we are meant to submit the assignment on or before 8, right? So please follow up with the video. As the call is ending now, I think the video will be automatically sent to the YouTube page. So please follow up with the video and yeah, make do of the practicals we've just done to achieve yours. And please send your assignments. Thank you once more for joining. Do have a blessed day ahead of you. Bye, guys.